Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 6300. This ran from the 9th 2014 to the 4th 2021. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch fact alloy mag good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch fact alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch fact alloy mag good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifters, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,